This question says a pendulum consists of a wooden bob of mass m and length L. A bullet of mass m1 is fired towards the pendulum with a speed v1. The bullet emerges out of the bob with a speed v1 by 3 and the bob just completes motion along a vertical circle. Then v1 is. So what all things are given? There is a simple pendulum. A pendulum consists of this length is L, a bullet of mass m1 is fired, the bullet comes and hits it and goes away. Its initial velocity is v1, velocity here is v1 by 3. Let's say it gets a velocity v. Now this velocity is enough for the bob to go into circular motion. Now we know that minimum velocity at the lowest point is equal to how much? Root 5 GL. So now let's use conservation of linear momentum. What is initial momentum? Mass of the bullet. Mass of the bullet is m1. m1 into v1, that is equal to, what is mass of the bob? Bob's mass is m into v, that is root 5 GL plus m1 into v by 3. Now what are we required to find? So it is v1 by 3. We are required to find v1. So we'll take v1 to that side. I'll get m1 into v1 minus m1 into v1 by 3 equal to m into root 5 GL. So m1 into v1 minus v1 by 3 equal to m into root 5 GL. So v minus v1 by 3 is 2v1 by 3. So m1 into 2v1 by 3 equal to m into root 5 GL. So we need v1. So v1 equal to 3m by m1 into root 5 GL. So the answer is 3m by m1. 3m by 2m1. Right? 3m by 2m1 into root 5 GL. So which option is correct? 3 by 2 into m by m1 into root 5 GL. That is option B. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.